I told them from the start.
About to watch Burna Boy top best 5 performance in 2024, and guess what? I promise you will not regret clicking on this video. Burna Boy is an amazing African artist. Wow!
Oh yeah, so go loco, I'm a loco, Lord I'm motto, call it tomorrow.
Again, question about Burna Boy's stage performance. How does he get the whole people, the whole foreigners, sing his song word for word? This guy is Nigerian, right? Then he's now singing song for foreigners, and these people literally singing the song same with him word for word. Bro.
Hold on. I need to teach you guys how to move with the song right quick, because you guys don't know the moves.
Such a high controlling potential basis. He makes sure that when people are not getting along, he has to pause the song, shows them how he wants them to feel, what he wants them to do, how he wants them to dance to the flow of the music, so that everything will be at its perfect best. Burna Boy is just that artist that wouldn't allow things to go out of hand. I mean, he just don't want people coming out to mix things up. He wants things to be done the way he wants them to be done. To get pro. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscription button and give us a notification turn on bell so that you don't miss out on any of our future videos. And if you're on Facebook, hit that follow button. We really appreciate you for that. Thank you. This is Burna Boy after performance. He sang Last and the people were singing this song with joy. Burna Boy has always been doing his stage performing at the best possible way. People really enjoy to see Burna Boy perform on stage because he literally give them everything they deserve. He literally give them everything they want and would want an artist to do on stage while he's performing on stage. Now this is Burna Boy at the Glasgow Festival, and he's killing it. The strength he has for stage performing, he loves his passion for music. Is just a different ball game entirely. Burna Boy is just super amazing, super intelligent, he's smart, he has strength, he's capable. The ability he puts into his art is just mind-blowing. Burna Boy is extraordinary when he comes to doing this thing. Burna Boy is literally the best. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie. I know that I have other people from Africa who are doing the same thing, but Burna Boy is different. Burna Boy is just different on a different land. You get.
I want you guys to hear me real clearly on this next verse, because it's one of my favorite verses ever. Is that cool, London? Alright. R.I.P. to see do. Put your hands up, reach for the roof. If you know you fuck with me, don't like squares in my crew. If I call you my brother, then you best believe you start with me. Been wavy since morning. I no go feed if you from nothing. So I beg you not disturb me. I know they carry over low. Ghetto gospel preacher, 2-time community service preacher. Right now I'm chilling, but my niggas getting busy in the city, spinning till they see when they busy. Now, I don't care if you're a boy or girl. You see, I just took off my shirt. Everyone take your fucking shirts off and wave that shit over your head like this. Everyone, take your shirts off and wave that shit on. We're about to make this shit wild now. Andy. More than that, more than that. More than that.
If you're a fan of Burna Boy, then you know that Yeah is one of Burna Boy's biggest record in his career, and the song lyrics is literally the best. Burna Boy performing Yeah would get any fan of him so excited, you know, so intoxicated with the happiness, the love, the vibe, the excitement, every possible thing that can happen at that particular time. Yeah is that record, you know. Yeah is that record.
All my people that go down so good, boss man go down so good. When you get to the enter, boy, on the calendar go shake
as the bedu they enter body. Whoa, what? Wait a minute, have you ever wondered why some girls or a lot of girls will say Burna Boy is their favorite artist, Nigerian artist? It's because of this particular song. The lyrics of this song is what get these girls super excited and super, you know, wild. They say the bedu go enter body. It's literally them that knows what they mean or what they understand by that line. The bedu go enter body. And if you're a girl watching this video, I would like to know in the comment section what that thing really stands for, because me myself, I'm also super missed. I don't really understand that particular line of lyrics, so I would like to know in the comment section what that thing actually means. Meanwhile, get subscribed to the channel or follow the page for more videos like this. I love you. Stay up there.